bless you, man. May God richly bless you. Amen. Amen. Why are you?
We need someone a man for one more Asante Mampong Newtown. Newtown baller for many years. A man for a soon pennyphone 2, assembling 2, MP 2, Bia, Kabia, Nanso, Bibia, NC were home. Na Beatrice was Siaw. Na ze motate se ye ka ne dwumadi ahodo a wodi eboa e wa Asante Mampong Krodwam ho a ene wa fa to no ho so afidi a hu se sesa baller no e ono ana fidie mienu a eka ho a ye de baller na egum ne de e assembly dia e na wa fa ato no ho so afuele assembly car no so a ene wode etu sa baller nyina ewo Asante Mampong Newtown
dika ye beta mo ase said nyina ye nim no se ye hwe baller we a problem kesi a Obama Mampong constituency ya se na e kan problems no nti ye sha se free municipal assembly ye ho adwuma ma last year ye beto abani mu no assembly no be hwe senka on betimi eto afiri oba ye baaye no problems kakra bi esi ya ye ntimi anwie nti ye wo ha na ye erabi ya nyankopon aka na koma ya wode ba krum ha sei na oba be hu ye no na homte chese wo hwe a wose school mienu ene wo ha sei apostolic JHS ene ne primary sa aso na ti ahomedi ne primary so baller so no baller da sa school yi entem nti obe hu ye no ne hu dwiri no ma da no kra no osuni so wo ha sei nti wono a hye bo se oba bitu baller na ede amaye nti ene one municipal assembly no mpanimfo coordinating director and engineer aka abomu a ono so ede ne machine e free kumase aba na assembly no so no release a tipa trust no ne bako amase onhwe na onfa ntu emaye.
I like doing hard projects. I want to show the current leaders that if I can do it, they can do it. And we are here for the people. These are all my brothers and sisters. I'm from Imprafie, so it is my duty and my right to help my citizens to have a clean environment, clean drinking water, and a safe environment for our children, which are the future of Mampong and Ghana as a whole. Many people within the Mampong Newtown has complained about their environment, and they said that this boiler has been here for so many years, over 30 years. And you can see from the boiler there's water coming from the boiler, so people are stepping through and so forth. So it's my duty to help. There's so many schools around. They've complained, told so many people, and nobody has listened to their complaints or their cries. So I'm here to step in with my own money, my own funds. The assembly brought 2 of their tipper trucks, and I bought my payloader to assist in the removal of the rubbish.
And she said, "Yeah, I need some school. Me no honom. Ahomedia Primary School and Apostolic Primary School. Woman yina ni ajia. She say no. Baller hawa na woman efesi yina ni yina no ebeba form."
Your friend Mr. Isaac Obin, head Apostolic Primary School. Baller idea, and na me hu say machine yina ho ayetu the mani aje pa. And I say so me bri and a dear bread teacher for any school for a child on my dear. Say a boy, best a year 12 hour. Untimin child dear. Sent a free ball no more air ban, I know what thing. Then Mrs. I sent in so and so what teacher for any and more friend so. I feel so say so twa. A tree rubber say a war boy and also at the good your company her. I'm a baby and a height and time. TV, I just am afraid. Time also more class to be soon at the end. Now almost a sa and and say, but I did back who say, Queen say, and I'm said, boy, and the Bain school in tea. Nipper war, sir, yeah, hey. O drew school then a chair no or the boy and out to or I said, chain a boy, no, they are to her. And to be one sunny at the back classroom. I'm afraid so a honey musia dear. If you are no crowd, walk out of our be and then once 9 so I in so and once I'm so at the back. enti na me hu say yi to ball na mani age pa isan so no dos pa
si ehwe efia ya etwa ha hia nyina no a tore bi wo ha be kofie ho because of ball and ntino na enwanse nanom esisi fie ho ye nyina enim say corral so yade a ekum nipa eyie enti we na ya free ya no say timi etu ni nyina free a nim ye say ebeboa ma yarewa bi wo ho a atimi asi ano ama ye ho so be ha ye e wa ha ahonedie fam